Hey guys, it's Paul, the Motor Guy. Now in this video, I'm going to be installing the Custom Dynamics ProBeam LED Squareback Taillight on my 2012 Harley Road King. Now I wanted to update the back of the bike, so I decided to go with this look here. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So there you go. I think that looks really nice. Now I went with this here because I'm going to, sometime in the future, I'm going to get the saddleback lights that kind of match this pattern here. So that's why I went with this tail light. As you can see here, it's a true plug and play. All you do is take off the old tail light, plug this one in, and you're ready to go. Now also with the tail light, I'm going to be installing the Custom Dynamic Load Balancing Smart Triple Play module. Now this module is very easy to install. You're just going to plug between your lighting harness and your main bike harness underneath your seat. So let's go out, get this tail light installed in this module and see what it looks like. To get started, remove the 2 screws holding your current tail light to the base plate. Next, remove your tail light and locate the 4-pin connector and unplug your tail light from the power transfer board. Then, remove the protective paper from the foam gasket. Then you want to gently press the foam gasket onto the back of the ProBeam tail light. Then install the nylon washers to the factory screws. Plug the 4-pin amp connector from the ProBeam tail light into the factory power transfer board. Then reinstall the factory screws and tighten them down, but make sure you don't over tighten the screws. This is how the tail light looked before, and this is how it looks with the ProBeam tail light. This is how it looked before I added the Smart Triple Play module. And this is with the Smart Triple Play module installed. All right, guys, so I really like the look of that light on the bike. And as you can see, it was a very easy install. So if you're looking to upgrade your tail light, check out Custom Dynamics. Now, until next time, you got it. Practice, 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 and ride safe.